Since the winter months are upon us, let's discuss carbon monoxide poisoning. This occurs when you inhale carbon monoxide fumes, which prevent the body from using oxygen properly. The most common causes of carbon monoxide poisoning are incorrectly installed or poorly maintained ventilated appliances, like gas stoves and water heaters. Poorly ventilated fireplaces and other gas or wood-burning appliances can also be dangerous. The most common symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning are headache, dizziness, weakness, upset stomach, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion. These symptoms are often described as flu-like. If you breathe in a lot of carbon monoxide, it can make you pass out or even cause death. If you suspect you or someone else has carbon monoxide poisoning, get to fresh air and call 911 immediately. From the Memorial Hermann Texas Medical Center helipad, this has been a Life Flight Minute.